Let's say you want to send money from your Binance wallet to another wallet. Could be Trust Wallet, Coinbase, blockchain, but you don't know how to do it. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified when I drop new tips. Let's go. So you're in your Binance right now. By the way, if you don't have this Binance app, make sure you get it from Play Store or Apple Store. Make sure you're verified. You can use your passport, national ID, or any other document that is offered, that is issued by your government. Yeah, let's get started. All right, so I'm in my Binance app right now, and I would like to send some crypto to somebody else. So this is how I'm gonna do my things. All right, so I'll simply come on wallets right there. So wallets is just simply an area where I'll be able to see all my assets. All right, where I'll be able to see all my assets, all my coins. So right now I only have one asset, USDT. I don't know if this is an asset. Yeah, but it's an asset, guys. It's an asset. So I'm gonna hit on that on the asset where I'm having dollars. So next is just hit withdraw, because I'm taking this money out of Binance to another wallet. So I'm gonna hit withdraw just like that. So next thing is to hit send via crypto network, just like that. And the next thing I'm gonna do is to put the address. So wherever you want to send the money, you are always given an address. Address can be Tron network, can be whatever, can be CLRC, 2LRC, whatever, 20. Just make sure that you are verified that the address is from a particular network. So come here, put it right there, put the address. Once you put the address, sometimes it will specify the network on its own, but it's good just to also cross check. So you can actually see we have Tron, BNB, we have Polygon, Ethereum, we have got whatever. So just make sure that you have verified that where the money is going. You have verified the network where the money is going, I should say. Otherwise, when you do that, you just put the amount of money that you want to send. Once you do that, and then you hit withdraw. The rest is just simply you confirming, verifying, confirmations, whatever, two-factor authentication, until you have given access to this platform to make this transaction. This is how simple it is. Let's say you want to send money from your Binance to another Binance app. I've already made a video about that. Please check it right here. Otherwise, if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and let's meet in the next video. Have a very good day. Peace out.